tools that we need for wrapping the gift. Scissors to cut, used to cut tape, or also the gift wrapper. Here is our shears for materials that is thicker than the paper we used to cut, and for measurement, ruler, and I have this one. I prefer this one, tape measure. This one. Markers or colored pencil for writing. And the ribbons for the decorations. And I have also puncher to make holes if we need to make holes for, let's say for example, the easy gift bag. And we have boxes to put our the gift inside to prevent the gift from breaking. And to get the, so we have to clear the table first.